Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how I make my iced coffee at home, and I'll also show you 2 ways you can make it, as well as how to make your own whipped cream. I always start with my reusable Keurig K-Cup, and I add my coffee in here, and I always brew it on strong.
Okay. When it's time for coffee, we get it in. All right, so I'm gonna just fill this up to the line that's here. The max fill line is inside. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. And close it. And then I am going to stick it into the other piece and stick this in my coffee maker.
Now, another way you can do this is you can use hot water and actually just put that in there and put your K-Cup in there and leave it in your refrigerator overnight, at least for 24 hours, to make it a little bit more stronger for your taste. When you're making at-home coffee, it's really up to your preference and the flavor that you like. So first thing you're going to do is grab your cup and get some ice. And I am going to grab a sweetener. For this one, I'm using agave. I get this one from Sam's Club, and I'm going to do about half of a tablespoon in here. Now, if you want to do no sweetener and then just add in your creamer at the end, you can do that, but I'm going to put just a tad bit of creamer in here as well as a little bit of this. Okay, so you're going to grab your coffee that's already been in the refrigerator, chilled and steeping for 24 hours, and you're going to pour that on top of your ice. Now remember, I want you to keep watching because I'm going to show you how we're going to make this homemade whipped cream. So I like to dress my coffee up a little bit with a little bit of whipped cream and some caramel, of course. Tell me in the comments what your favorite coffee order is. Now we're going to move on to number 2. I've already started with a chilled mug. I put this in my refrigerator, and I've also added some ice. To that ice, we're going to do just what we did before. We're going to add in our coffee. And to that coffee, I'm going to add in a little bit of creamer, whatever creamer of your choice. Making the homemade whipped cream is easy. All you need is heavy cream and a blender.
I'm going to switch out my paddle here for my whipping paddle. Then I'm going to add in my whipped cream. Turn on my blender.
The whisk in your blender is going to do all the work for you. So you're going to keep whipping until about the 1 minute mark. Now you also can do this with a hand whisk or a hand blender. If you pay close attention, you can see that the consistency has already changed into your whipped cream. All you're going to do here is add in your powdered sugar and your vanilla extract. Don't worry, all the measurements will be in the description box for you. Leave me a comment if you knew that you could make homemade whipped cream, and also give me a like if this is something that you would try. Take a look at that deliciousness. Now I want iced coffee. What about you?
As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.